Hi, my name is Siobhan. Thanks for joining my email list about HBA Premium. I'm going to do a quick video about HBA Premium. So when you join HBA Premium, you get access to training that will teach you free traffic strategies and paid traffic strategies. So here's a training um, on YouTube of which is a free traffic strategy, and you can and it tells you how to set up your YouTube channel and about it. It also tells you other important information in the training. So even it even tells you about keyword research. This is a great training for people who want to use YouTube, or if they already use YouTube to promote their business. And there's also um, you know, more free traffic strategies like how to use a podcast to promote your business. And then there's a training on LinkedIn. And then there's also some paid traffic strategies. So this one tells you about using Facebook ads. This one tells you about using solo ads to get leads. And then there's some training on getting sales and email marketing, like this one. You can get HBA Premium for $1, and you can try it out for 7 days, and then after those 7 days, you will have to pay $100 a month. So if you get two people, you make $200 a month, and you can there there'll be a button below this video, and you'll come to this page, and you can click this green button, and you can get HBA Premium for the 7 day trial for $1. And this page has some information, and it tells you about other benefits of using HBA Premium. Like you get the premium traffic and conversions mastermind, which is the traffic and conversions training. And you also get more benefits. You get um, daily masterminds where you can learn from seven and when you can learn from um, 6 and 7 producers figure producers, and you can ask them questions. And there's a great training. And then you you also get this, which is a sales and conversions vault, where you discover how to convert training and leads into endless sales, and you get to learn from top earners and online marketers. And you also get weekly what's working now training, and this is every Monday night, and you get to learn from people who are active in Home Business Academy, and you learn how they are growing their HBA business, and you learn what are they doing to grow their business. And you also get this, the Grow Rich Live Mastermind. This is Monday through Friday, and you get to learn the secret ingredient to going from some success to one of the top earning 4% of people on the planet. And you can join the live or replay at any time, or like catch the replays anytime. And then this is an AI tool where it helps you write content for social media, blog posts, emails, and YouTube descriptions. And then you also get to make $100 for every, you know when you get a new HBA Premium referral. Um, so $100 from every referral, and then there's some other bonuses. I HBA Premium is one of my favorite benefits from Home Business Academy, because I get to learn how to promote my business in different ways of of like of promoting my business. And and I also want to um, get better at promoting my business. And thanks for watching my video.